So it's been 10 minutes, you guys. Y'all, this is so crazy. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be trying out this viral mask that I've been seeing all over TikTok, you guys. So let me be 100% with you guys. I'm not sure if this mask is going to work at all. The reason why is because I feel like the claims have been completely just out of this world as far as what this mask is supposed to do for my face. The videos that I've seen on TikTok are legit unbelievable, literally. You see people who use the mask and they get all this black stuff on their face with all the blackheads sticking out. Their skin is like filter-like, looking super nice, blemish-free just by using this one time. And I just don't believe there's any product out there that works that good. But anyway, just for fun, we're gonna try this out today and see how it really works. So this is what it comes in. It's a very small, as you guys can see, fits in the palm of my hand. The language on here is in Mandarin, but the only thing I understand is that it's 40 grams, so it's very lightweight, and it's in a roll-on type stick, so I'm supposed to be able to just roll it onto my face. So this is a green tea purifying clay type mask, and it promises to do a ton of things based on what I saw on Amazon. It's supposed to cleanse my pores, it's supposed to remove blackheads, it's supposed to remove oils, it's supposed to make my skin appear very smooth and filter-like. It has natural ingredients that's supposed to provide moisture and minerals to my skin. Y'all, the claims legit go on and on and on and on. So as I said, I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna see today. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unravel this and take it out of the packaging to see how it works. All right. Now that that's done, open the box. So it's a very tiny, as I mentioned, and it comes with like a little protective cap, kind of like roll-on deodorant, if you've ever used a deodorant that was kind of a roll-on scent. So I'm just gonna roll it up. Oh, it is very clay-like. So it doesn't really have a scent, which is surprising. I feel like green tea usually has like a very herbal scent, but this doesn't have a scent at all. And let's see. And it's a very soft. Nothing's even coming off. It's very soft and it glides like right on. So that's amazing as well. Yeah, y'all, it has a no scent. That is so weird. Alright guys, so let me give you guys a close-up of how my face looks. So as you guys can see, I do have some blemishes. Nothing crazy, y'all. Nothing that I will complain about compared to how my face was like 2 years ago. This is definitely a change and I won't complain about it. So I have a few pimples or just little small bumps on this side. I have a few on my forehead. And I have a few over here. But again, nothing alarming, nothing crazy. It looks just fine to me. Yeah. And then just a few on my forehead. So as far as what I did to prep my face, all I did was wash my face, and I washed my face with the CeraVe Acne Foam and Cream Cleanser. I've shown you guys this before. This is the only face wash that I use on my face. So you guys, let's apply this face mask. Okay, it goes on really smoothly. I'm still pretty shocked that it has no scent. And even down here, y'all, I had a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. So hopefully, you know, we see some magic. Ooh. I don't like the fact that it's in this roll-on tube, because I feel like that's kind of unsanitary, to be honest. And I feel like it increases the risk for like cross-contamination. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some on my forehead. Yeah. I will say It does feel really nice on my face. As far as just the texture, it's really nice and smooth. But yeah, y'all, I think that's it. I think that's more than enough. I will say it's kind of burning my eyes a little bit. Do y'all remember, like, if you use anything pepperminty and it has like that cool feeling? It has kind of like that effect when it comes to my eyes. So I feel like my eyes are burning just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll let you guys know how I feel. My forehead is starting to burn a little bit, or tingle. It kind of feels like a burn, but it's starting to tingle just a little bit. And then my eyes, they feel a little like they're about to get watery. So that's the only thing that I noticed off rip. But yeah, guys, it says on the instructions to let it sit for 10 minutes. So that is what I am going to do. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then I'm going to come back and see if we get anything, you know, good. Let me see if we get any blackheads or anything like that on the surface of my skin. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. So as you guys can see, it is me 10 minutes later, looking the same like I did 10 minutes ago. Yeah, this ain't it, poo. This ain't it, poo. I look the same. The same. So I have my chia seeds here from the kitchen, because as you guys saw from those TikTok videos, chia seeds were erupting out of everybody's face. They did not have us fooled. I'm just going, you know, for fun of it. Why not? Why not? Why not follow the crowd? Add some chia seeds to my skin. And just play like I had all this stuff stuck in my pores. That's so funny. Let me shake off the evidence. Let me shake off the evidence real quick. Alright guys, so I am back. It's been about 10 minutes, and as you guys saw, I had to get a little bit of help from my kitchen in order to get the results that they were advertising on TikTok, you guys. It is a sham. It is a scam. It is not worth it. Go ahead and get your money back if you bought it, or if you do see it being advertised, just go ahead and scroll past it because it does not work. So my skin doesn't feel any different. It feels almost like I have lotion on my skin along with some chia seeds and black pepper, obviously. But yeah, it doesn't feel like a clay mask. I've used like Aztec clay mask in the past, and I'm used to getting like this kind of tightening type feel whenever I use a mask, and I feel like I can actually feel the blackheads and stuff being pulled from my skin, but I'm not having that same experience here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just wipe off my face. I have some paper towel right here, and I have some warm water down here, and I'm just going to use it to wipe off my skin and see if it feels any different, and then I'll just let you guys know. I got chia seeds in my mouth. Guys, so I am back. As you guys can see, my face is a little bit on the ashy side. So in the last clip, you guys saw that I was wiping my face off with some warm water. Afterwards, I went to the bathroom and I just rinsed it for a final rinse with some cool water, and I do have to follow up with a moisturizer. If you guys notice a difference in my skin, definitely comment that down below. I think it looks the same because the mask didn't do what it said it was going to do, okay? I was expecting to see all sorts of stuff on my face and I ain't seeing nothing. I had to go to the kitchen and add some chia seeds and add some black pepper to my face to see a little bit of a difference. So I don't notice anything, but if you guys notice a difference in my skin, definitely leave those down below. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, definitely give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. I post Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.